Hi, I'm Joe, a final year student of design. Today, let's learn basic hatching techniques. Hatching is a versatile technique where parallel lines are used to create depth and texture. Let's explore some variations. Firstly, there's parallel hatching where lines are drawn in one direction for shading. Varying the spacing and length of the lines can produce different effects. Next, we have cross hatching where lines intersect to create darker tones. By layering lines at different angles, you can achieve richer textures. Contour hatching follows the form of the object, enhancing its shape and volume. Random hatching involves drawing lines in various directions and densities, adding spontaneity to your sketches. Finally, cross-contour hatching combines contour lines with the wrapping effect, creating a three-dimensional appearance. These hatching styles offer endless possibilities for expressing depth and texture in your artwork.